So the dwarf planet Pluto. No, actually the planet Pluto, because I think Pluto deserves to be called a planet. So for this video, we're going to be elevating Pluto to a full planet status. But anyway, I bet you didn't know that Pluto actually has a heart, or the outline of one on its colorful surface. And there's a lot of mystery about this icy heart and things that you definitely didn't know. That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Only one spacecraft from Earth has visited Pluto, New Horizons, in 2015, gathering much data to create all the amazing images that we have today, including all the great shots of its heart. They named this region the Tombaugh Regio after Pluto's discoverer because it is the largest feature on the planet. But how did it really form? How old is it? And what is its surface actually like? And how would it feel to stand on the heart of Pluto? Well, first we know for sure that this area is a vast, cold, icy plain on Pluto's surface with very few craters, covered with nitrogen ice that actually has a lot to do with Pluto's atmospheric conditions and causes winds to blow on its surface. So Pluto's heart actually does have a heartbeat. And this is no joke, let me explain. During the day, a thin layer of nitrogen ice warms and turns into vapor. At night, the vapor condenses and once more forms into ice. Each sequence can be thought of as a heartbeat pumping nitrogen winds around the planet. This wind can be used to explain some of the strange and interesting surface features covering the planet as well as its vibrant colors. Keep in mind that we have only known about Pluto's heart for a few years, because up until this point, all we had was this very uninteresting blurry picture of Pluto taken by the Hubble Space Telescope where the heart is not visible at all. And before these detailed images taken by New Horizons, many people thought that Pluto had a flat, uninteresting surface. But that was obviously proved to be not true, and there is so much more to learn about its features. Imagine if we could send a rover to land on Pluto. I feel like that would be more interesting than Mars. Imagine the photos from the surface of Pluto. But sadly, it's billions of miles from our planet, and the pictures and data captured by New Horizons took over 4.5 hours to reach Earth, traveling at the speed of light. That should give you an idea of how far it really is. But how did this heart really form? Well, every planet in the solar system is active in some form or another, and it generally just formed by a natural geologic process, and still to this day is changing and shaping itself. For as long as planets exist, their surfaces are constantly changing. The left lobe of the heart is a 620-mile ice sheet, is in a 1.5-mile deep basin, and the heart's right lobe is higher in elevation with nitrogen-rich glaciers. Here is a close-up image of the center of this heart on Pluto, captured by New Horizons, which shows this frozen region with features as small as 0.5 miles across being visible. And from looking at this picture, we can clearly see that it appears to be divided into segments with narrow troughs in between almost vein-like structures where it looks like some ancient liquid used to flow. So the heart-shaped feature on Pluto really does actually have a heartbeat and serves as a heart for its atmosphere, pumping winds around the planet. If you enjoyed this short episode, make sure to subscribe as we continue to explore the wonders and mysteries of the universe.